Wherever you at. Landon. Outstanding Student Award. B-Boy Float, you're welcome. B-Boy Float, stay up here, stay up here. Alright.
Awesome, everyone. How's everyone doing today? It's a beautiful day. So for my outstanding student, someone that I've worked with the entire session, they've shown extreme amounts of growth in class and perseverance. Every single day I see them. It's not just a growth in skill, but a growth in character. So I want to give a great round of applause to Andrew Hughes from beginner 9 AM class. Andrew, where you at? Proud of you, man. Let's go. Oh, he's running. There you go. Give him a round of applause, everyone. Andrew Hughes.
All right. For my award, I just want to give it to someone, a very young man, growing up to be very, very good man. What I see in him, he's just a great person, loves to dance, and when I'm with him, I'm a new instructor, so he makes me feel comfortable. So I want to give this one to Bronson. Come up here. Check. WeBreak, y'all still with us? Yeah, alright, cool. My name's Chris. I have the pleasure to choose this difficult award every session. I'm like, wish I could give it out to like 4 or 5 of them. But you know, this one is very special to my heart, very new to the game. He's actually in preschool, and as much as I'm a teacher, and I teach them, they teach me way more than y'all understand. So shout out to Ethan Grant, where you are? Where are you? Where you at? Ethan, there you go. This is the future, y'all. Give him a round of applause. This kid's the prodigy right here. Congrats, buddy.
Alright, Ethan over here. Great job, Ethan. If you saw the WeBreakers performance, Ethan hit that headstand. That was crazy. Alright, I have one more student. This student actually inspired me and inspired the company a lot to make sure that we're pushing the class. This person gave a lot of personality in all of his sets, and I just want to, attribute him because he actually was the one who named our crew. So I want to give a big shout out and an outstanding student award to Kellen Liu, aka Creative Destruction. Special K, Kellen Liu. Creative Destruction right here.
Alright guys, give it up for our outstanding students for the summer 2019. Super proud of them. You guys have done an awesome job. Guys, we're going to take a photo, alright?